Hello everyone, welcome to the FGN Empire Animation channel, and today we'll be going over some of the basic stuff about the Windows host file and some of the main troubleshooting that you can do. And this is just one of my random off-the-track videos that I do while I configure my computer to work my games. I realize that my games has been sucky qualities and all that, but it'll be over. So let's get started. What Windows host file does for you is actually it blocks websites basically. So you want to go to your computer and you want to go to your C drive, Windows. In this folder of yada yada yadas, you want to go to System 32. And down here somewhere at the bottom, somewhere in the middle, you want to go to drivers. And next will be etc folder. And here's your host file. So just open it up with a notepad or something like that, and you're gonna see a lot of these, whatever they are. The thing with all these whatevers, don't mess with them unless you know what they are. So pretty much all you have to do to block a website is to have its URL, and then you type down here at the bottom 127.0.0.1.1. Alright, it's pretty much it's just this code right here, the code that's given to you, and you want to type the URL of the website that you want to block. I'm just gonna say Google. You have to save this. Save it first, otherwise it's not gonna work. So now when you try to go to Google, rar. Alright, Google did not rar. I mean, it did not open. So sometimes they'll also say that the IP address will not be available or not valid or something like that. But either case, you're not gonna get on there. So to unblock that website, you just have to take that line off, and there you go. Save it again and refresh. Oh, it's not gonna work because you have to open a new web browser, because the old browser somehow remembers that it will not function. So now when you try to go to Google, it's gonna work. Now some people might have troubles while they're trying to edit their host program. So there are three troubleshooting methods I recommend. The first thing is actually to make sure that you don't have this box right here checked, because if you had that checked, you're not gonna edit anything in that file, period. So next one is to go to the security tab, and down here click advanced, and make sure you do in Windows Vista, maybe 7 too, that you do have the access to this host file, the full control. If you don't, you just have to find your own user account and give the control to it. So just click edit, and in this new dialog box that pop up, you wanna find your user account, and you wanna click edit. And in this one right here, in this row of whatevers, you wanna click this top one that says full control under the allow column. Don't mess with anything on the deny column, because it defeats the purpose. And click OK if you don't have the full control set up. I am actually gonna click cancel because I already do. So click OK through the rest of these, and make sure you don't click cancel right here. You click OK, and I think from there on you can access anything in the host file. The last troubleshoot will be involved in viruses and all that. You know, sometimes viruses get into a computer and they destroy the host file for some reason. I have one of those virus that destroyed my host file like a month ago, and after it destroyed it, there's a file named host in this folder, and the file type is not file. It actually says something like D80 or whatever, yada 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 yada. So if it does not say file right here, that means your host file is corrupted, and it's useless. It's not gonna work. It's not gonna function anymore. So what you want to do then is to just go ahead and delete it. And you want to go to a good computer and copy their host file and paste it into this folder you do this folder right here, not just some random desktop places or whatever. Place it right here, and make sure you still have these 4 files or 5 files or whatever, because I don't know what they are, but hey, look at this. It might be a part of the host file. So after you get the new host file, the thing is gonna work again, and you can just go ahead and do whatever you want with it. Block your block websites and whatever. So that's pretty much it. Yeah, that's it for the troubleshooting and introduction for the host file. Thanks for watching, and see ya in the next video. Thanks.